What the fuck? Can I control the flashlight for a little bit? I'm recording. I'm recording, retard. That shit's fire.
Bro, take my voice out like that ass.
Shut up. We got Elijah, we got TG, we got Eddie up in this house. Let's go. Choked out.
Choked out.
Imagine a rat just drops on us.
Dude, that's fuck shit.
Bro, can I my take that?
Yeah, might be. Fucking.
Just sitting on the piss out of it, bro.
We gotta find the fucking surgery room in morgue.
In the where the dead bodies are.
Dude, this is so weird.
This is definitely the drug abuse store.
Dude, look. Sex, drugs, and more.
Yeah.
So nigga, no, retard.
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna have.
Dude, there's a big ass dick. Oh, someone tried to draw a big ass dick.
Yo.
Dude, pull the fire alarm down.
Dude, I've never been behind in the back. Oh, chill, like, there's fucking windows right there. Turn around, go. You get away from these windows.
Dude, pull the fire alarm.
No, stop.
Will it still go off?
You never know, dude. You need to stay away from windows, Chad. We need to find the stairway. Okay, let's go around back this way. That's definitely the front entrance. Okay, we came down that hallway, right?
This is an exit. There's no morgue this way. Imagine we pull up to the morgue and it says, "Don't open dead inside."
That'd be fire.
I'd open it.
That'd be a crazy reference.
What?
Damn, someone was not happy.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude, that's so disrespectful.
It's a whole lot of shit, man. Dude, this place is a fucking maze. This is back to the receptionist offices. Chad, this is the front.
Where's the morgue?
I don't know. Dude. I'm just trying to find the stairs, nigga.
KKK. Sex
Bro.
drugs.
Okay, so
We were just here.
I know.
Were we done this whole way?
No, because there was no.
There's one more, bro.
Dude, is this the morgue?
Yeah, we haven't seen the bathroom right there. Look, what's that? Damn, it looks like the door exploded.
Where's the bathroom? What if it alarms?
There's no alarm.
It's locked.
Bust that bit down.
Chill. Fucking retard. If it's locked, it's locked.
Well, that's what I haven't seen my bum.
Oh, that's a window. Alright, go, get away from me. These are all windows. Those are all windows, chat.
Are you geeked?
Low key. You know, mom and the buildings.
Bro. I'm so lost.
We were here.
Don't the fuck with UTF. No, chill. Who said spies are good leaders?
Okay, okay, what's over here? That's the basement. Do not go down there.
Dude, not
Yeah, you're a bitch.
That's where all the black mold is. It's sad.
Yeah.
Who cares? Goon school club.
Oh.
That was definitely recent.
Chill.
Shut up.
It was an accident.
Yo.
Bro, this is where you got your cheesecake, bro.
No shit. Yo.
Dude, the morgue got blown up.
This is definitely the X-ray room. Yeah, it is.
It's definitely, dude, it says it right here.
Yeah, it's the X-ray room, isn't it? What is it?
Restricted to non-flammable anesthetic agents.
I'm pretty sure it's the X-ray room.
Bro, what? How old is it?
Actually, I don't know.
This might be a surgery room.
Let's grab a diary. Damn, nigga. Behind you, DJ. This definitely has to be the fuck. I don't even actually. Dude, what? What if it's two? What if it's two rooms? What if it's just a room? Oh no, it goes out top.
It says scrub the tire required.
Oh no, we don't want to go this way. Go. That's to the garage.
What is this? What is this guy?
Scrub the tire required.
I don't know. Let's get away from over here. That's the garage.
Dude, there's used needles in that.
There's not. Let's get away from here.
What's this door, Spry?
Shut up.
Yeah, you're a horrible experience.
I'm trying to find the stairs. Oh, that's a mirror. I was tweaking.
Do you think somebody was staring at you?
No, I thought it was a light.
Dude, what in the...
Yo, that's tough. Try to get a front of me.
Yeah.
Take a picture of me, Eddie.
Yeah, take a picture of me and Spry, Eddie. Ready, Spry? No.
We gotta find it. Sign up for that. That's definitely cringy, right?
Dude, yeah.
I don't give a fuck. Yeah, bro, it's so
Sweet.
vibes.
Alright, let's go.
Don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
Yeah, I want you to...
Oh, that's the same way we just came.
Hey, nigga, don't.
Nigga, don't.
I didn't even do anything, Spry.
Oh shit, might be.
What's that?
I stepped on that. I didn't mean to.
Dude, what is
Didn't we just go through these doors? Yeah. So keep going straight?
that? Yeah.
It says exit.
Does it go up though?
No. I don't know what I was gonna do down here. This is tough.
Someone else get flashlight.
Hmm? Emergency door. Okay, elevators. My legs fell off. I can't take the stairs.
Say nigga chill. There's an elevator right here.
I know, but
Yeah.
yeah, but I can't find the
Yeah,
stairs.
probably.
Yeah, Spry doesn't
There's
know how
not.
to
That's
go.
the lead down to the basement.
Yeah, dead ass.
That literally goes to the fucking basement, retard.
Yeah, Spry. We should have all had our phones charged so we all could have went. Dude, there's a plunger.
Where?
Right here.
Alright, let's look for this fuck. Didn't we?
We already down this hall.
Have we?
Yeah.
No, I know.
Rape
we're always
room.
hanging dangly cords.
Rape? No, there's no
Over
rape.
here, Spry.
Didn't we go? No, we haven't gone this way.
Yeah, because there's titties right there.
Oh, yeah.
Did we see the titties?
And there's a dick.
Did we see the dick?
The dick.
Did we see the
Dick
dick?
and puss.
Did we see the damn pussy?
Bath. Badass fucking door.
Bro, they're all online.
Oh, that's a window.
Damn, bro, the tweakers went crazy on that electrical shit.
For real, they're trying to get this thing.
Dude.
Dude, what is this? Is this a...
Oh. Chill. Chill with the lights. Cause it's fucking out the window, retard.
Oh, that's facing that way. What's over here? What's over there? That's a whole other area.
Ooh.
Are those cotton candy? Are those files? In there. Oh.
No, but that goes outside.
What's right here? This is a suite.
Go in there.
Someone lived here.
No way.
Yeah, there's a suite right here.
Someone go first. I'm not going first.
Give me the flashlight. Oh shit, we're outside.
Dude, this is tits.
Dude, this is nice.
What the fuck? Hell yeah.
Oh, someone took a dude, bro. Dude, there's living organisms in there, bro.
Alright, let's get out of this
Bro,
room.
someone boo-booed in the
Dude, this
toilet.
room is fine to live in. Is that a microwave?
Dude, these windows.
Someone has windows too.
Yeah, it does. Let's get out of there. Bro, close the door.
Yeah, bro. What if someone lived there?
It's definitely
Is that
not
another
way.
one?
It's just some... Chill. No, we don't need to when there's fucking neighbors, retard.
What neighbors?
There's literally apartments right next to us. And...
They're gonna think it's a fucking animal.
No, they're not. They're not fucking stupid. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to get out.
Let them come investigate.
This is the lobby.
That's tough.
Stairs.
Did the stairs have to be somewhere around
Yeah, this is fucking tough.
here? Hold on, what's in?
Dude, these are like the...
Dude, Sprout.
This is the
Actually, look
ICU.
around.
I know I am.
No way.
This is like the... I know, but there's windows. That's why.
Windows in every room? Oh,
Yeah, there is. So you
Yeah,
gotta...
does it?
Oh. Chill with the lights.
Sprout, don't kill me.
I'm not, but we need to be careful with these lights, nigga.
Bro, you just gotta stop being a tweet.
Fuck.
Oh, we should get this story that we don't have to reach it. Yesterday.
Was that yesterday?
No, it was like 2 days ago. Okay, nigga, we've been down here.
I don't know where to go, nigger.
Definitely not back down there.
Okay, you... Dude,
Right here.
You're
Just keep going straight.
Bro, chill, dude. I've never been to this hospital.
Me either.
I'm just trying to make it quick so we don't get caught. Because we're lucky being pretty dumb with these lights. Dude, where the fuck are these stairs? Ooh, that's the main road over there, chat. To the right. Be careful. Oh, that's... Wait. No. That definitely goes outside. Ooh, that's windows outside.
Those are boarded up.
I know, but I don't know, the fucking elevator was right over there. Let's go this way. Oh, that's the outside. That's the outside. That's the outside.
Is this the stairs?
Where? No.
Shine your light through it.
That's the outside.
Is it?
Yeah.
My bad.
My bad.
Dude, Eddie, bring the flashlight.
Oh, that's outside over there. Oh, that's outside. Careful, these are all outside too. Feet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's to the fucking main.
Is this the hospital we saw on YouTube?
No. Oh, that's definitely an exit. Dude, fuck. Loki, I think we went everywhere downstairs. That's someone's house right there to the right. To death. Oh no. I think we can leave this way.